HMZ House by Lucio Munian et al. In San Luis Potosi, Mexico. The HMZ House is located in the Loma Country Club in San Luis Potosi, Mexico. It is a two-story building that provides comfort for mom, dad, and 4 children. Dad works in the construction business and wants to develop a building made entirely of concrete. This was a challenge for our office as we focused on the space and all the unique elements that make it interesting. And every time we design a house, we always focus on the spaces that no one asks for. That was the most powerful concept we learned from the architecture of Luis Barragan. So in this case, more than just rooms and bathrooms, a library, a dining room, a kitchen, a laundry room, a living room, etc. All the spaces are connected with a path, a designed path. It's very interesting to see and feel the happiness of the families towards the project because of these spaces. Of course, they love what they asked for, but all these new ways of approaching space in terms of lighting, pathways, silence, sobriety, drama, and many other romantic forms of approaching a building make this house a very special place to live and share more than before in their lives. It is also a house that lives inward. Although each space has views of the golf course and many ways to open up the entire floor to have a connected space, it is a house that needs to be discovered. We have never been fans of being looked at from the outside, and it is one of the things that is achieved as a key concept. And last but not least, we believe that we have taken a step forward by approaching sculpture. Architecture as sculpture has been the most important theme throughout the life of the office.